All right, so let's get a check now on the forecast for the first full day of summer. It really depends on where you live, Michelle. I mean, it's clear in some spots, and other areas really can't see much.
And it's one of those days where the beach just can't get rid of the fog. Down at our coastline into New Bedford, you can see those gray skies. Meanwhile, East Providence and looking across the bay, the visibility is fine, but the clouds are starting to fill back in. And unfortunately, I do think we'll end the day with overcast skies and areas of fog, particularly at the coast, but even further inland too. And it's all a result of that very high humidity that's going to be in place today and through the first half of the day tomorrow before we bring back some more refreshing air. Also tracking Tropical Storm Claudette making its closest pass tonight, and that refreshing feel, it does return middle of the week, looking nice for our area Wednesday, Thursday, and even into Friday. Live radar right now looking dry, but let's widen out the view because we've got a few things headed our way. One, Tropical Storm Claudette going to be passing south and east. Cold front helping to push it along. That front's going to be swinging into our area tonight and on Tuesday, and that's what will give us our next chance for some showers and storms. Here's Claudette right now, 40-mile-an-hour sustained winds. Still forecast to do a little bit of strengthening today, so expected to increase winds to 45 miles per hour. You can see it tracks well south and east of Nantucket, more than 100 miles out to sea. Racing by us tonight. This is its position at 9 a.m. tomorrow morning, so going to be clearing out of the area very quickly, but it's churning up our seas. It's leading to a moderate rip current risk at our coastline. Our coastal areas upper 60s to around 70 right now in Newport. Providence has jumped up to 78 with some partial sun. Smithfield and Taunton in the lower 80s, and the winds are breezy. Coming up out of the south and southwest, 10 to 15 miles per hour sustained with some gusts to 20. That's just pushing in that very humid air for us today. And again, early tomorrow, we'll start to see the dew points dropping tomorrow, end of the day, and Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, take advantage of some more cool, comfortable nights for sleeping ahead. Just not tonight. Here's what we're looking at this afternoon. Lower 80s at 2 o'clock, near 80 degrees at 4, mostly cloudy skies. Clouds continuing to thicken at 6 in the evening. Low clouds and fog at our beaches around 73 degrees. Surfs up to 4 to 5 feet. And on the bay, places like Warwick and Nemicat Point where that search is taking place, unfortunately, I do think we'll see some visibility issues as the day wears on. Low tide 10:38 this morning. We've got another high tide at in the 5 o'clock hour this evening. For tonight, down to about 68 degrees for an overnight low. We do have the risk of a passing shower for tonight as that cold front gets closer to our area. In fact, there could be some pretty strong storms to the west of us in the evening hours, but watch what happens heading into the night. As these move east, they hit the fog, the low clouds, that ocean air, and they just kind of weaken and fall apart. So a couple of isolated showers during the night, and then we get into a lull. We'll see some partial sun tomorrow, 2 o'clock in the afternoon. This is that cold front nearing our area. Scattered showers, embedded downpours, and maybe a rumble of thunder as that moves through. It'll clear out on Tuesday night, and Wednesday, Thursday, dual pick of the weeks this week. Really nice pair of days for us, both days with overnight lows in the 50s and afternoon highs in the upper 70s. Friday, slight chance of a shower, highs in the upper 70s, and we'll have another chance for a shower or thunderstorm popping up as the heat and humidity build again for the upcoming weekend.